Okay, here's what my final project looks like. This is a sneak peek, and then I'll explain to you a little bit more about how I got here. Alright, I finally finished my project, which was the Gecko Mister or Gecko shower. I started out thinking I could use gears to sort of gear down the weight of the Gecko, so if you got on a platform it would move a lever that was geared down and use a little sprayer, which I had some sprayers that I tried different ones and they all have a lever action, but I could not translate the 50 some odd grams that the Gecko weighed in order to get the lever to move. It was too much for the Gecko to overcome, so I switched to motors. Okay, so here's where I decided I was going to measure the weight of the Gecko in order to see what gear ratio I would need. And he weighed 46 grams. The other one weighed 59 grams, so they're pretty close in weight. Here I am pulling them out to test the switch mechanism that I made. So I 3D printed a base, and I was going to check to see if the weight of the Gecko would pull the switch. So I put him on the platform, and sure enough,
it's running the pump. You can hear it. Okay, walk through. Get off. When he's off of it, most of his weight's off of it now. Then, oh, come on. Let's go. Let's go back to it. Get back on the branch. This is the Gecko
put him back in his cage, and then I designed the enclosure for shower heads, which are actually just little misters for your garden, and the motor pump, water reservoir, a battery pack, and the plate right here that the Gecko actually walks on is a switch. When it gets its weight on there, it goes off. So we're gonna test it with a Gecko, and you gotta put him in there so he'll walk through the tunnel, and we'll see if he gets a shower. There goes his shower. Oh, he's enjoying it. He's in the shower, taking a shower, and he decides maybe he's had enough shower, and it shuts off. So that's it. That's the Gecko Mister Shower Bay. So I started with the gear. In summary, the gear on the platform just couldn't provide enough leverage to get the sprayer to activate. I tried it. I spent a lot of time on it, and it failed. And then I had to jump off that idea to a new idea where I used a motor and a pump, and that works really well. So, success! The Gecko shower.